I'm Paco, and this is Osa the Rover.
This week on Osa the Rover.
Sleep deprivation, fire and fury, a dramatic realization.
Alright, so this thing's been driving me nuts all week. Still trying to figure out how to do it, but I figured that tonight I gotta at least try something, because not doing anything for the entire week is not how I want this project to go. So I've gotten some good comments on how to try it. So tonight I'm just gonna try and mash everything together and give it a go and see where we end up. This is my first dry fit attempt. I'm really not trying to get anything tight, just making sure everything lines up. I can see that I'm gonna need to throw some washers in on these bolts. There's still a little bit of distance there to clean up. But the big issue that I'm running into with this 1-ton engine stand is everything, really. I've got the bottom arms in as far as they'll go, and you can see I'm still nowhere near short enough. And I've tried the upper arms in every configuration possible, and I still wind up with a gap of about that big. So I imagine that this engine hoist is built for V8s, but not inline 4 cylinders. So, oh God. I guess I'm gonna see if Harbor Freight will take it back and swap me straight across for a 1,000-pound, but from where I'm sitting, this thing's pretty worthless to me. To say that I'm frustrated with this whole thing would be an understatement. I tried to overbuy, and it's done nothing except be a huge thorn in my side. So lesson learned. With the 1,000-pound engine stand, I know I'm not going to have any issues with it getting it underneath the lift. It's more the pain in the ass tax of seeing if I can get a refund on this, or even a straight swap. So. Damn it. So I'm pretty frustrated right now, but I'm sure this will not be the last time, nor is it the first time. So, man, I didn't get jack done this week, and now I don't know, I feel like I'm letting myself down by not getting anything done this week, and again, not being able to get anything done tonight, which is really the night that I had to set aside for working on Osa. So, man, what a waste.